Ah.
No, one at a time. One at a time. One at a time, Jones.
Yeah.
That is actually quite annoying.
What did it say?
What?
Did it say? Did it say something? Say again! It's not here! There you go.
What about yours?
He's too
That's
happy.
quite good.
Do a Charlie voice.
Oh yeah, I did a really good impression of Charlie the other day. I can't.
Do it,
No,
do it.
I can't do it. I tried to do it on the way home.
Try
I couldn't
it.
do it. I can do it.
Try it.
Just do any noise.
No.
Any noise.
Yeah, wait. So I did do it on.
Focus.
Get
I
into
got.
the mode.
I can't.
It's too much. You can't take the pressure.
Aldo. Matthew.
My one, right? Just do this. I remember Aldo.
Aldo, would you like to know about the certain types of skills in Guild Wars?